and Carlos Munoz of Television for the Championship Single C Boys Elementary.
Judge 1, 9.4, Judge 2, 9.5, Judge 3, 9.6. Thank you, Dennis. Next performer. Players, are you ready? You may now begin.
Nice! Ganun ang gawin mo. Pag nasa malayo siya, lagyan mo sa malapit. Oh, grabe naman. Ay, dito, binibira ko bukas.
Single D Boys Elementary, played between Kenan Rojas Cesar B. Lopez and Sean Tracy Gilbert. Champion, Port Disney, Kenan Rojas Cesar B. Lopez of Colegio San Juan de Letrán, Manaoag.
Official time, 41 seconds. Judges, raise your score, please. There, Judge 1, 9.5, Judge 2, 9.3, Judge 3, 9.4. Thank you, Dennis.
Calling the attention of single D girls, Elementary, 6B,
Bawi bien.
Princess Atelia Latigera and Julian Rizal A. Paras. Elementary boys, single D, Prince Jorel Villanueva and Leo Cyrus Rombata. Proceed to the match control.
Now we are going to synchronize elementary girls category. Single one. Players, are you ready?
Binanggit na yung pangalan mo?
You may now begin.